Hello, welcome to Even Beyond. I am Varun. In this HTML tutorial, video number 8, we will talk about attributes. HTML elements can also have attributes. Let us see through an example what it looks like. I have this brackets code editor open and a new file attributes.html. Let me start writing the code. Let us take a tag this time, a element. Let us save this and now run this. So have a look at this example output. We have a link now with text Google. Let us click on this. It takes us to google.com. How it works? Let me show you. In this code you have the A element, also called anchor element, and in the starting tag have a look at this. This is called attribute, and here href is the attribute followed by equal symbol, and then we have its value, and here is the text that becomes a link, and when we click on that link, this href value is what opens. So we have got a taste of what an attribute is like. We can have some other attribute on a element and on other elements as well. So on this anchor element itself, suppose here, as we just see, when we click on this, it opens google.com in the same window, in the same tab, to be specific. But suppose when there are cases when we want to click on the link but open this link in a new tab. For that purpose, all you need is target attribute, and its value should be blank, underscore blank. When you save this and now click on this, it opens in another tab. So in HTML we can have multiple attributes on an element. Here we have two attributes now, one here and target is here. There are points that you have to remember. I'll talk about that a bit later, but to help you understand attributes, let us talk about an analogy. You know, a human being has its attributes like color, gender, height, weight, etc. So you can think of these elements, HTML element, like a human being, and its attributes like color, gender, height, weight, etc., like these attributes. Similarly, objects around us, tangible or intangible, they all have some attributes: shape, color, dimension, quality, etc. So you have got an idea of attributes. The points that you need to remember about HTML attributes: the attributes should always come in the start tag. So here is the start tag, not in the end tag. Never. Here in the end tag you can't use any attribute. The attributes should be separated by a single space. So you see here I have a single space, here I have a single space. Attributes come in name value pairs. So here we have attribute name href and its value this link, and similarly here we have the target attribute and its value underscore blank. The values of the attributes have to be wrapped by these quotes. So here we have the double quotes. You can use single quote as well, but the preferred version is double quotes, so use double quotes. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.